Hi, I'm Camden with Top Things to Do DC and Free Tours by Foot. Now, if you're coming to Washington, DC, you probably want to visit a museum. The question is which one, and what to see once you're there. There are over 70 museums in DC, and 17 of those are Smithsonian's. They say it would take you a couple of lifetimes to see everything the Smithsonian has to offer. I'm assuming you don't have that kind of time on your visit to DC. So why not look into our Smithsonian Museum Tours? These 2 to 2.5 hour highlight tours explore some of the must-see sites in the Air and Space Museum, Natural History Museum, American History Museum. We also go to the National Archives and the National Gallery of Art, even though technically those aren't part of the Smithsonian. On these small group tours, your guide will show you and explain some of the significance and stories behind exhibits such as Julia Child's Kitchen, the Hope Diamond, the Spirit of St. Louis, the Charters of Freedom, and the Art of Leonardo da Vinci, among others. We'll help you navigate through security and the crowds and make sure you see the highlights at each museum. Have a certain interest or item you want to see? Let us know, and we'll do our best to include it. Or book a private tour, and we can tailor the entire visit on what you want to learn more about. Visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com or use the link below to learn more about our Smithsonian Museum tours and the museums themselves, as well as all of our tours in DC. Reach out to us on social media with your favorite Smithsonian exhibit. And be sure to subscribe here for more tips, tricks, and advice to make the most of your visit to Washington, DC.